Today we're gonna weigh the Touareg and see what it weighs stock without any tires, any skid plates, no roof rack. Stock weight with a full tank of stock weight for this thing as it sits, 59.20 as it sits in stock form. So let's see how much more shit I can add to it. So here we are in the future, a couple months now. It's kind of cold and shitty, and we're back to weighing this thing again. The shit it's got on it, full size spare with a swing arm, 32 inch KO2s, sliders, skid plates for the diff, control arms, a gas tank, transfer case and engine, the roof rack with light bar, and then that's basically it. So final weight of this thing, minus a winch and front bumper, which are kind of the only things I'm going to add to this. It does not have any camping gear, does not have my tent, doesn't really have anything extra. It's going to be 6,640 pounds. So this bitch is huge. Completely huge. Some of you might notice I don't have a muffler, but that is sitting in my trunk to make this kind of a bolt-on affair without any lightning or any other crap. So still gonna go up once I add the bumper and stuff, but this is kind of a simple basic build on a V10. And also one thing I forgot to add, this does have the rear locker installed on it now, so that one is heavier than the diff that came out of it. So I'd say maybe a couple pounds heavier than that little thing. So we'll see what it weighs once the winch and front bumper get put on.